we will learn about the letter M. Mouse. Mouse. Mittens. Mittens. Magnet. Magnet. Monkey. Monkey. Mushroom. Mushroom. Moon. Moon. Mop. Mop. Mask. Mask. Milk. Milk. Mango. Mango. Money. Money. And now kids, are you ready? Bring your module. Letter M. Circle the pictures that begin with the letter M. Number 1. Monkey. The monkey start with letter M. If yes, circle like this. Next, muffin. The muffin start with sound. If yes, circle. Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Start with sound. If yes, circle. How about the seesaw? The seesaw start with sound. If yes, circle. How about the mop? The mop start with If yes, circle. And what picture is this? Is this picture start with sound? Mitten. If yes, circle.